Details of a long-awaited AI plan from the National Development Council have been made public. They include billions of US dollars in AI investments, as well as venture capital for new startups. Chris Gorin was at the release of the plan's details, and he brings us more now. Chris, what do we know so far?
Well, as predicted, Eric, the NDC plans to spend more than $3 billion across 10 major projects, all of which involve AI or other high-tech industries. Now, the announcement of the plan comes following a meeting this morning with tech and finance industry leaders who are providing advice on this plan. Now, the NDC says that these investments now could lead to more than $500 billion in new economic output and create up to 500,000 new high-paying jobs. Now, the 10 projects include much of what we've seen the cabinet discuss before, and that includes investments for AI in infrastructure, healthcare, chip-related technologies, robotics, quantum computing, and more. But during the release of the plan, the NDC chairman, Paul Liu, also emphasized a few key points, one of which is integrating Taiwan's software industry. Now, he noted that Taiwan has a strong position in computer hardware, but is a little bit less prominent in software compared to countries like the United States or China, and the NDC is hoping to change that.
大厂硬体带软体，大的带小的，就会让我们这一波机会比较大一点。
Now, in addition to the $3 billion for the 10 high-tech projects, the NDC also announced that there will be an additional more than $3 billion for a new venture capital fund for Taiwan startups. And they also, Mark Liu also asked that the private industry invest into this fund, and he says it could see many billions more than just that initial $3 billion. Now, the NDC says that these 10 projects could lead to more than $500 billion in new economic output by the year 2040. And to hear him tell it, he thinks that this could also solve some of Taiwan's big social problems, like persistently low salaries and a declining birth rate. But it's clear that Taiwan is betting big on its position in the AI economy and hoping that it can turn itself into what President Lai Ching-te has called the AI island. Eric?
Thanks, Chris. That was Chris Gorin, live from our newsroom here in Taipei.